What's up everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I will not talk much, but we will head straight into the work. Before that, I would like to show you what I did before I started filming this video, and then after that we will just head on with straight to the work. No habi jabi, ulta bulta, kak kak, direct come. So this is an extension to my work table. Today we have long boards and block of wood to cut, so we need a little longer table, which is the reason why off camera I built this today. Now we will place the wood here and cut, and this one is the circular saw guide that we made yesterday. We will use this today, so let's go. That's visual light protection only. आपने निजे दिखाने से किमान काटिंग ना जैसे इधर सेम दे काटेगरी ने जोड़े से तो वीडियो तो किमान लोग बनाए जो सेम में काटेगरी से एको काम ना तो खाता काटी से इधर बना पसंद ना तो आज के इधर करना दिखो वीडियो मुझे तो कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए ओले वीडियो ये मान दे पसंद करो. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye. Comment and let me know what you thought about the video. Subscribe and please do like and share with your friends. Hey Tommy!